Hey everyone, Zane here, and today I'm going to show you how to withdraw money from TikTok Creativity Program. Now, in order to be eligible to join the Creativity Program, I'll show you exactly all the requirements to join this program. It will be displayed on the screen. You can screenshot it, and this section will also show you how the rewards are calculated. Now, let's say that you want to withdraw your rewards. Now, first you should go to TikTok itself, open it on your phone. Then you should go to your profile. And now you have to click on these three horizontal lines on the top right corner. Then click on Creator Tool. Now, once you open Creator Tools, you will have here this option, which is called Creativity Program Beta. When you click on it, it will jump you directly to this page. It will show a graph showing you exactly how much money do you earn on each day. And when you go down right here, it will show the RPM, the qualified views, and the estimated rewards. Now, if you want to withdraw it, click on View Balance right here. Then it will show you the estimated rewards in this period and how much money you can actually withdraw. And be careful that the minimum payout amount is $10. So here in my case, I have $63, so I can simply withdraw them. But first, you should click on this credit card icon on the top right corner. After that, you will have to do something which is called payout setup. First, you will have to enter a payment method, which can be PayPal or credit card, etc. And you should submit your tax information. So you should finish both steps in order to be able to withdraw your money. And once you finish these two steps, click on completed, then you will be able to withdraw the money. And that's all for today. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thanks for watching and see you in a new video.